Oh, I'll use the same guys we used the last time. I hope you remember them, Team A. Yeah, they are very marvelous guys. They will deliver. Of course. Yeah, my family, they are all in US. My wife and the remaining 2 kids. Yeah, but Obina was trying to prove stubborn that he wouldn't go, but I tried everything possible to force him. Yeah. Oh, I will call them immediately after this call. You don't have a problem, sir. Yeah. Oh, no problem. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you. Baron, his number would be...
Hello?
Is this Bruno?
I would call Bruno.
Your boss.
Sorry, sir. Good afternoon, boss. Chief. Ah, Chief, you don't tell. Why you just forget your voice like that, Chief? Chief, your voice don't change now. I don't even get this your number.
Bruno, forget about the changed voice and the unknown number. There is a job I want you to handle for me.
Job?
Get your boys ready. I will make every details available for you tonight.
Okay.
No stories. I don't want what happened last time to repeat itself.
Chief, remember we lost Jebo in our last mission?
Yes, and so what?
Now, the problem is that we may have a gap or leakage in our strategic positioning.
Bruno, what do you want?
Chief,
go straight to the point.
We need to fill in Jebo's gap.
My friend, you're still not making sense. What do you want?
I would suggest that we replace Jebo with your son. And henceforth, he should be part of every assignment that you give to us.
My son? You mean my only son? Bruno, you must be crazy.
Chief, I'm not crazy. I need the crazy. You are rather the crazy one here. We are people's children too, for crying out loud. The way you love and care about your children, that is exactly the way our parents do love and care about us too. You can't be using us as thugs while your children and siblings are studying in UK, USA, Canada, and enjoying the luxuries of life. Oh, you think we don't know? You think we don't know that you are preparing for your children to return and work in NNPC, CBN, NCC, DPR? Chief, for your information, we are degree holders. If you ever want to give us any job again, you should be in any of the places you want your children to work. Foolish man.
Bruno, me foolish man?
My boys and I will never pull the trigger that will destroy this nation. Our bullet will only shoot peace. Nigeria is for all of us. Nigerian youth, say no to thuggery and do not allow yourself to be used as thugs. If anyone wants you as a thug, request that his children be part of it. Vote and don't fight. Say no to violence. Shoot peace and not guns.